Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and if you are watching this video then I am sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten pattern lock, pin lock or password lock. So in this video I am here going to give you some special tricks and method by which you can unlock your smartphone without visiting any service center, and you don't need to pay a single penny to unlock your smartphone. And the main thing of this video is that if you're watching this video and you're going to unlock your smartphone, your phone's all the data like photos, videos and other documents which you need to for further, all will be saved as it is as in your smartphone. So watch this video till the end. Firstly, before starting this video, I will give you some special tips. Firstly, you will have to eject your smartphone SIM card from your smartphone, or you may also use your phone's airplane mode to complete or go offline with this method. Okay. And when you eject your SIM card, let's check about your battery. Your phone's battery should be charged at least 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. Okay, so let's start this method. Firstly, you will have to switch off your smartphone. Simply, you will have to press the power button, and you will have to switch off your smartphone like this. Simply, you will have to switch off here, and you will have to wait until it's complete switch off. Okay, so just wait. Now after when it's complete switch off, you will have to press the power button and the volume down button same time, and you will have to press these both button and hold it until your display gets on. Okay, so just wait here. Now when your display gets on, you will have to release the volume down button and press the volume up button. Okay, like this I'm going to do here. Now you will get an option of fast boot. Okay, now after this you will have to be very careful about this method. Now you will get two options. The first option is showing here reboot option, and the second option is showing here recovery mode option. You will have to go with this recovery mode option. Your phone may not be work here, your phone's display may not be work here, so simply you will have to use the power volume up and down button to go up and down. Okay, like this. So simply you will have to go with the recovery mode and select the recovery mode and press the power button to select this option. Okay, now when you will go with the power button to select this recovery mode option, you will reach to new page like this. You can see here. Now after this you will get three type of options. The first option is showing here install software, so you don't have to go with this option because this method is known as offline unlocking method. The second option will show here clear data, and the third option is showing here check system. Okay, so simply you will have to go with this clear data option. Okay, here you will get two options. The first option is showing here clear cache, and the second option is showing here clear all data. Okay, but you will have to go with the first option. You will have to clear your phone's cache. Okay, you don't have to go with clear all data. If you go with this option, your phone's all the data, your phone's all the important data which you need for further may be deleted. So don't go with this clear all data, go with the clear cache option. And when you will go with this option, simply you will have to go with the OK button. It may take multiple times click on OK, so don't worry at all, it's time taking. Okay, now when it's complete, you can see here clear cache has been completed. Simply you will have to go with the return option. Again you will have to go with the back button. Now after this, simply you will have to restart. Okay, simply you will have to restart your smartphone. It may take multiple clicks, so simply you will have to go with this restart option. You will have to wait here until it's restart. Okay, just wait, it will work. Okay, now it's restarting. You will have to wait until it's complete restart. Now after this, there are some few steps you will have to also take care of it after when your phone gets started. Okay, there are some USSD code which is very important to unlock your smartphone, because all the cache data has been cleared. So simply you will have to follow some USSD codes to unlock your smartphone. Okay, so you will have to be with us. Here all the cache data has been cleared, so it maybe takes time to restart, so you will have to wait. Sorry. Now you can see here still lock has been not removed, so don't worry at all. There are some USSD code. You will have to follow these USSD code to unlock your smartphone. So simply you will have to go with the option of emergency. Okay, simply you will have to click on this emergency option. Now there are some USSD code which you will have to follow here. The first USSD code is star hash 813 and hash. After feeding this USSD code, you will have to call on this here. You will get a pop-up of call not sent, so don't worry at all. Simply ignore this with the OK button. Okay. Now again, the second USSD is star hash 812 hash, and again you will have to call on this. Again you will get a pop-up of call cannot. Okay, so don't worry at all. Simply go with the OK button. Okay. Now after that, the very last USSD code what I am going to give you, after this your phone will be unlocked 100% definitely. So the last USSD code is star hash 852436 star 0 hash. Okay, now when you will call on this USSD code, your phone will be unlocked 100%. So simply you will have to call on this here, and now after when you will call on this option, you will have to simply go with the home button, or you may also go with the back button to check either your smartphone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going with the home button. You can see here this phone has been completely unlocked, and the main thing is that your phone's all the data, as you can see here, my phone's all the games, Xzender, all the applications as is my smartphone. So this method is very useful for those customers whose phone is locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password lock. Okay, and the main thing is that you're not going to losing any data of your smartphone, and you don't have to visit any service center to unlock your smartphone. So if this video helped you to unlock your smartphone, so do the like this video, and if your phone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make us comment which type of issues you're facing in this process. And the main thing is that when your phone is unlocked with the help of this method, quick reset your password or pattern. Okay, otherwise again you will have to follow this step, again you will have to unlock your smartphone. So thank you so much, see you in next video.